the Smart Current Affairs program for the Mains 2024. With more than 25 questions coming directly from our classes and our handouts from the current affairs section. Now, this is the question out of all the questions which have matched in the mains examination. This is the question which makes me really happy. Now, this question is on the disaster resilience. It has multiple components in the question. For example, how it is determined, what are the various elements of resilience, right? And also mention the Sendai framework. So, I'll tell you a short story with respect to this particular question. So we have a team over here which discusses everything about what kind of questions can be asked in the current affairs, in the mains examination, what is the trend of UPSC and everything. We have a very solid team over here. So when we were discussing disaster related topics, see, UPSC could have asked multiple questions on disaster. They could have asked the question on heat waves. They could have asked the question on crowd-based disaster. They could have asked the question on, let's say, fire incidents, the urban fire, forest fire. Lot of questions, lot of topics were there in the news, right? But what did UPSC ask? UPSC asked disaster resilience. So actually, when we were discussing, so one of our team members, she said that, sir, I think we need to have this particular topic in the classes and for the handouts. So the team was divided. No, sir, I think we should cover more disasters. We can, because so many disasters are in news. And some were like, sir, we should discuss this particular topic in the class. Now, you have to understand that there is a limitation, right? We have to choose the most important topic, and that is where the skill comes in. We have to understand which topic UPSC can ask, right? And that's where we trusted the team member, and that's what I want to tell you. The environment over here in the team is really good. We respect each other, we have confidence on each other, and therefore I decided ki yes, let's go for this particular topic. And I thank to that particular team member that this particular topic, we took it really comprehensively in the class, right? And we discussed everything about it. And the most important beauty of this particular topic was we discussed each and every component which was asked in the question. So we discussed about the approach to infrastructure resilience, disaster resilience. What are the various elements of it? Right. We discussed about the recent context. What is the need of disaster resilience? Look at this particular thing. We discussed about the working of the entire disaster resilience structure. What is the main thing which is required? What are the various components of it? So everything which was asked in the question was discussed in the class, was given in the handout along with some extra examples. So that is the X factor of our handouts, is that we not just give you the content. We give you the content in the most organized manner. We give you the content in the most holistic manner. We give you examples, we give you data points, we give you case studies, so that you don't have to depend on any other thing for your current affairs. See, current affairs is an ocean, right?